Hello everyone, I'm Johnny Chang from the world of waterfalls, and in this video we're going to talk about Takhilo Falls.
Okay.
So right now I'm waiting in the lobby of the resort, and I'm actually doing this with a guide. Since I guess in Guam the hikes here are pretty undeveloped, and you definitely want to be doing this not alone. And so I went ahead and paid for a guide, and I'm waiting on him right now, and we'll see how it goes. I mean, not feeling 100%, just landed in Guam yesterday, so a bit jet lagged. A lot of people on that plane were sick, so yeah, give it a go. Today's gonna be a doozy.
재은이언니가 벌써 이면이
All right, so here we are at the what I believe is the trailhead for the Mt Sasalaguan hike, and also the Takhilo Falls, which may or may not be flowing. We're kind of hoping that maybe an afternoon thunder shower might replenish it. I'm also joined by a hiking group. So it's going to be a bit of a fun day. Beautiful morning. And yeah, ready to get rolling.
그래, 오빠 이번이랑 같이 가.
Set this need gloves for swordgrass.
오줌 넣고 있구나.
Okay. Here you go. Oh, okay.
I'm coming.
I saw two ways, so I wasn't sure.
Yeah, but there's so many ways.
Yeah.
Mt Sasalaguan,
Yep.
and then the black rock
Yeah.
in the middle.
I see.
Yeah, that's Takhilo. And then we're going Sasalaguan, and then going down to the knife ridge
Yep.
and the hill.
I see.
You can see the nice view.
야, 이 틀이 미는 힘이 어마어마하다.
Sure. All right, so it's a steep
가면 좀 나을 줄 알고 갔더니 얘가
손가락을 잡았어. 따뜻한 사람 없잖아.
Whew. Now you gotta go up that ridge, looks like. Yep. Very steep.
Okay, breathe.
Alright, so here we are at the top of Mt Sasalaguan. Very difficult climb, especially for this being my first hike in Guam. And check it out, here's the view. This is the group that I'm going with. And it looks like there's like shelter there. But this is a very difficult hike, especially for a first timer. But these guys, yeah, it's tough just to keep up. So after we take a well-earned break, we're going to follow a ridge that's directly opposite the head of the valley containing the Takhilo Falls. And whether it flows or not, we're still going to see the view. Then we're going to take a different trail over the knife ridge back to the trailhead. So yeah, this is, I mean, it took us at least 3 hours to get to this point, and it's not easy hiking. There's a lot of swordgrass, very slippery terrain. It's good that you go with people who know what they're doing, so they set up tape and whatever where it can get confusing. He's got a machete for the overgrown parts, and they pick the route. And yeah, I'm still trying to catch my breath. All right, so here we are at an overlook above the shelter at the top of Mt Sasalaguan. And up here you can see behind me with the hiking group, we scrambled up here, and you can kind of see the lagoons behind us, very reminiscent of what it's like if you're at the on a ridge or a summit in Bora Bora. Of course, unlike Bora Bora, where you can take a four-wheel drive tour to get this view, this one you really have to earn it. So they went around to the right of the shelter. Pretty overgrown.
여기는 안 보여. I don't see you guys. Over there.
That's you.
Next side.
Okay, a little clear here.
Kind of steep.
And I can feel we're on the ridge.
Right side is really.
Yeah, I can see it. We're on a ridge.
Yeah.
Yep.
This thing right here, come down here. This is the ant house.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, don't touch it.
An ant farm. I see.
Yeah,
Okay.
don't touch it.
Okay.
Go around.
Oh yeah, it's flowing. Yeah. I see it. It's flowing.
Oh, Takhilo! Wow!
Nice.
없으면은 더 위험해. 더 위험해. 하나도 없을 때나
All right, so here we are at what I think might be the best lookout for Takhilo Falls. It's surprisingly flowing, and I also feel pretty exhausted. Looks like there's still a climb up to that ridge before it's mostly downhill again. But yeah, it's a beautiful waterfall, and I'm glad it's flowing because it's an awful lot of work to get here. So yeah, getting tired, but gotta carry on. Up that ridge we go.
Yep. Oh, this way. Okay. Muddy. Yep.
Check the camera and everything.
Yeah, I have it.
Anything lost and
Yep.
Side is okay.
Yeah.
So you can follow this way.
Okay. Oh, here we are. Okay. That's all right. I'll scoot my way down here.
Okay, be careful. Come on, come on.
Yep. Did I lose the trail? It's very thick. I think I might have lost the trail. Hello. Did I lose the trail? Very thick. Whoa.
어디에요?
Yep. Very thick, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay, this way.
Yeah.
Okay. Come here.
Still very up and down.
여기만 지나면 이제는 어려운 건 없어 별로.
Yikes.
여기가 여기는 아직 Yeah, you just came from LA last night. This is too much.
Yeah. It is a bit much.
You gotta grab onto it.
Yep. Yep.
You got it?
Yep.
Open your legs and
Yeah.
I can carry your camera. Give me the
Yeah.
camera. Yeah,
Let's see.
it's easier. The head. Yeah, there.
All right.
You should have done this.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, so here we are on another ridge. We're going back a different way than we came up. Lots more swordgrass, lots more climbing too. And although it sounds like it's mostly downhill, we're still quite a ways to go. Started cramping stuff, so I don't know if I bit off more than I can chew on this hike. But got no choice. Gotta keep going.
That white house over there.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
That's the start?
Yeah, that's where it started. Went all the way up.
Yeah.
And all the way down this way.
Oh, wow. Yeah, getting cramp on my leg. Getting a cramp. Back here. So it's right there.
Oh.
Yeah.
And I have this.
When you patch it, you feel the cool.
살로파스디요.
Yeah.
그거 바르면 그게 시원하거든.
응, 나 저번에 머리에다 댔어.
Okay.
Takes so much work.
Oh, yeah. Well, I asked for an adventure. That's what I got. Get some water.
salt.
Oh,
Salt and water.
salt in the water. Oh, yeah, electrolytes. Okay, that's a good idea.
Put
Put in
in your hand.
in my hand.
Yeah.
Okay. And then put it in my mouth. Okay. Oh, so don't contaminate the water. I see. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Then mat it.
You can use the pole.
Oh, yeah, to
It's better, easier.
okay. Do I still have my pole? I put it inside. And maybe you have to help me get it. Yeah. On the big pot, on the second to last pocket on the inside.
Inside?
Yeah, where the water is.
아이고 시원하다. So cool. The wind is.
Yeah, the wind is nice.
시원해 그래고.
All right, down. Good catch.
That's why you need the pole.
Yeah, I understand. Oh. Oh. You okay? Yeah.
The gravel.
Gravel. Yeah.
So many times already.
Yeah.
back.
Running out of gas. Yeah.
Almost.
Yeah. I don't know.
오케이. 괜찮다. 예.
Mud.
Congratulations.
Yeah. Never-ending hike. Wow. Alright, so we're finally back in the car. It was a very exhausting hike. Definitely one of my most challenging ones to date. And it was probably biting off more than I can chew. Doing a grueling hike the day after we landed in Guam. But the fact that we're driving back now tells you that I survived. And yeah, thanks to these people who helped carry my packs too. They carried my pack, my camera, they saw I was struggling. And yeah, this is why you gotta come in a team. You definitely don't want to do this alone. So I'm glad it was a wise decision to go in a hiking group. And now I can live to tell about it.